So in today's video, we will discuss how to plot a bar graph in an Excel sheet from the data. For example, if you have a data like this and you want to plot its bar graph, then you need to simply select this data and then go to insert from this menu bar, and here you can select any kind of graph that you want to plot. For example, if you want to plot like stat graph, you can select this one. If you want to plot a 3D graph, you can select any kind of 3D model. If you want to plot a 3D clustered bar, you can select from these type of graph, any kind of graph. If you want to plot any line graph or scatter graph, you can select from here. So for this, if we want to plot 3D clustered column, then you can simply click on this. Here a 3D clustered column of this data has been plotted, and if you want to change its background color, then you can see here different themes are appear. For example, if you want to change its style, its design, you can select any from these. If you want to make its background as this one, you can select from here. If you don't want to choose any background color, then it's up to you. You can omit it as well. For example, if we select this color, and after that we will also change its shape, filling and shape outline. For example, if I click on it, I will go to format, and then I will change its shape filling to white or any other color. For example, I will keep it as gray, and for this pH I will change its filling to any other light color. For example, it would be yellow. So here you can see its color filling has been changed. Also, if you want to remove this chart title, you can simply click on this chart element, and then you can unmark chart title. You can mark axis title and also grid lines to remove these lines. Okay, so after that you can simply change the color of these text. You can increase it up to 12 to make it more clear for you, and then you can select any font style, and to you can select its color as white. Okay, so here you can add your axis title here, and here you can see this gray lines represent pH and yellow represent absorbance. As you have mentioned already mentioned here that this x-axis data is for pH and this y-axis is for absorbance, so it will automatically add these detail into here. So this is in this way you can simply plot 3D clustered graph here. And if you don't want any background, you can simply select any of these background, for example here. So it's up to you whatever the design you want, and if you want to remove the grid lines, you can simply unmark it. And if you want to change its color, you also go to format, and you can select any shape filling. For example, if you want to make it green, you can simply select it green as well. So in this way you can plot simply 3D clustered graph in an Excel sheet. So in next video we will discuss some other kinds of graphs, that how to plot them in Excel sheet as well as in Origin Pro software. So stay tuned with Young Researchers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.